guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with my grandma, who is actually the sister of my actual grandma. In this video, we're going to be discussing Ilocano folk beliefs and practices. These were passed down generation to generation. So we're just gonna go and jump right in. We're gonna be doing these in tiny sections because we don't want to overwhelm you guys. Basically, I'm just going to be reading these and she's going to let me know if she's familiar with these, if they do this in this part of Ilocandia or if they don't. Okay, the first one is pregnancy and birth. A woman's intense craving for sour fruits such as tamarind, green mango, or orange is usually interpreted as a sign of pregnancy. The fruits that she eats provide clues to the child's appearance. Have you heard of it?
Sometimes when the woman is interested to some kind of fruit, it shows on the child when they come out. It look like there's a little sign, yung Lola dining. She have we call it rating here. No, there's a, that is because my mother one day.
I forgot what those are called. Something tag in English. I forgot
Yeah,
what
in
it's
English, yeah, rating in Ilocano.
Yeah.
When my mother was conceiving, she fancied she saw a goat and the farm with these ratings. She was very happy. She was amused. And when my sister come out, she had this little thing by her head. That's why she got it. If a woman fancies something on her pregnancy, it might show in the child.
So whatever
Whatever
you laid your eyes upon,
Yeah, well, that
your baby.
will have a little thing like that.
But have you heard of, in this community, women having intense cravings, or in Ilocano it's ninaw,
Yeah, well, that's
for
usual.
particularly sour fruits.
Yes.
Fruits that she eats provides clues to the child's appearance. Have you
Yeah.
heard of that?
I
Or-
heard, yeah.
Next, the pregnant woman observes a number of practices believed to ensure against a painful and difficult delivery. For example, she sits on a mat and never on the bare floor to avoid having gas. Now, I don't know about you, but that is kind of humorous to me.
Look like humorous, but I never heard of this before.
She always has grains of salt with her whenever she leaves the house to ward off evil spirits who may take away her unborn child. She does not go outside the house at night with her hair down, lest she have a snake delivered along with her baby. Have any of those things familiar so
No.
far? This is all new to you.
No, this is new to me. I never heard of it before.
She is forbidden to sit on the stairway as this is a position associated with difficult delivery. When cooking, she must thrust the bigger pieces of firewood into the fire before the smaller pieces, a practice said to ensure a normal delivery.
Is it? I never heard of it. I never heard of that.
On the 6th month of pregnancy, the mother's dreams, her physical and emotional state, the food she eats, and the fetal position are taken as indications of the child's sex.
Oh, that I don't know.
You have not heard that?
I never heard.
Okay. Only a select few are allowed inside the house while the woman is in labor. These are the mangilot, which is midwife in English,
Yeah.
the husband, his parents, and the couple's other children, if any. Is it only a select few people in the house?
Only later on after the birth that they will say, oh, this woman had a baby, this woman had a baby boy, baby girl.
Just immediate family, really.
Immediately, I think immediate family.
It says here, this is because of the belief that the presence of unlucky people could cause a difficult delivery.
Oh, that I don't know. I don't.
Walking the woman around the house to empty her water bag during her labor is supposed to ease childbirth. When a woman is undergoing extreme difficulties, the husband either turns the house ladder upside down or massages crushed ginger on his wife's belly.
I don't know about that.
A conceiving woman should not take her fancy on pictures, dolls and flowers, so that the child will not become dumb, or on images of saints, because the child will not be able to stand, but will only be rolling on the bed or floor.
That I never heard of.
If a conceiving woman takes fancy on a pitcher-type water pump, her child will be hair-lipped, and if she hair-lipped is like H-A-R-E, hair like a rabbit or something, hair-lipped. And if she eats twin bananas, she will give birth to twins.
I never heard of that. What I heard on the TV, sometimes when the woman had two eggs and they never moved from each other, that's what become close twin. Because the eggs did not separate. I mean, they did not move a little bit, and they were still in the egg.
So then they come out and
they come up together like that.
Like a deformity?
Yeah, deformity. Like sometimes they are back to back together.
Sometimes head to head. Sometimes shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah.
If she is fond on reading music books, her child is likely to become a musician. Likewise, the newborn is likely to become an accountant or a businessman if the conceiving woman has a liking for books on mathematics.
Really? Maybe, but I never heard of it.
A woman expecting a baby should not lie across the width of the bed or by the doorway because she may have difficulty in delivery.
Those are also superstitious beliefs.
Yeah, well, these are basically really old beliefs.
Yeah.
By our ancestors way back then.
Yeah.
Oh, I've heard of this one. Maybe you've heard of this one too. Because my tita. Now if she's watching this video, you know who you are. She should not take a bath in the evening because she may bloat. Oh wait, it's not. No. The first part, yes. The second part, no. Because she should not take a bath. This is like before she goes into labor. But the one that my tita, it was after she has had the baby. Let's say she doesn't take a bath for like 3 to 5 days. Wow.
How did she manage not to take a bath? And not even a little one? Oh, I don't think.
I don't know. Was it 3 days?
Oh, I don't know. It's very smelly.
Maybe it was 3 days.
Oh my God! Let alone if you don't have a bath, you don't wash your thing. It's smelly. If it's 5 days, who gonna go near her?
This one, the other part is because so she doesn't bloat. I've never heard of the no bloating thing, but when my tita, after having the baby, she did not take a bath right away for like 3 days. At least 3 days.
I don't know, maybe they do it.
She should not eat the liver or head of chicken, lest the child will become stubborn.
Is it? I never heard of it.
As soon as the baby is born, he is wrapped with the clothes of either parent. The child is said to become closer to the parent whose clothes he was wrapped in.
Is it? I don't know about that.
The newborn child is also made to use old clothes so that when he grows, he will not be fond of wearing new clothes, which depicts extravagance.
You can copy, you can try, isn't it?
You should try it for yourself, guys. The use of a folded newspaper as a pillow for the newborn is supposed to make him intelligent.
Really?
The washing of clothes and the mat used during delivery is done only during the day with proper ceremony. The clothes must not be washed in the shallow part of the river where the current is swift and noisy, for this would make the child naughty and irritable.
Is it?
Do you believe it?
I don't think so. I don't think so. How? I don't know how. I don't know how. I don't know what to say.
After the delivery, what is this?
Anglum.
After the delivery, the anglum is made. This consists of burning twisted rugs placed in an earthen jar called bakka to drive away evil spirits and to make the navel of the baby heal faster. The neonate
I don't know.
Neonate is given ampalaya juice mixed with castor oil to expel impurities taken in while it was still in the mother's womb. The mother who has just delivered should not eat food that is spicy or that causes itch, such as eggplant, bamboo shoots, and kamote within the period of 5 to 6 months. Gabi or aba and peanuts up to 1 year.
The link of 1 year I never heard, but a woman who just had a baby mustn't eat something like, eggplant, because she might feel
So you
sick.
have heard of this
I
one.
heard of, that's why they don't let them eat eggplant, anything that like there is that makes you itchy.
So you guys, she's heard of, this is her first one that
She heard.
she's heard of.
The gabi, because the gabi is really itchy. That's why sometimes somebody sell a gabi, or this, the stalk of the fruit is going to have an itchy on her body. She will be scratching.
Ding ding ding.
That's what I heard.
Bakka.
Bakla.
No, bakka. It said bakka.
Bakla.
Bakka.
Baka. Kaya sa Ilocano word was
For,
something like to a woman, baka, they call it baka.
is it the negative connotation or?
It's like negative. She's not very careful. Not like careless. It's like careless woman,
Oh,
Something like
tarantado.
Oh, yes, similar.
Likewise, she should not eat papaya because this makes the child agaras. Suffer from thrush.
Yeah, because the papaya have when you just cut it, there's like a milk in the neck. That is itchy.
The mother and child are made to rest in a specially inclined bed called balitang, bamboo bed. During the mother's 15 to 20 day rest, also called the dalagan, the husband manages the household. Wow, that's very specific, you guys. 15 to 20 day rest. That's like an Ilocano maternity leave. The woman resumes her housework only after she has rested and taken a full bath. Ilocano mothers go through a process of inhaling smoke from medicinal incense while a bowl of hot coals warms her wounds. Called sidor, this is said to relieve the mother's pains and reposition the displaced uterus.
Never heard of.
Fucking heard.
Now is a big change. Now, even before, when you give birth in a hospital, they let them stay in the hospital for at least 8 to 10 days like that, most of the time. But now, no more. Because it's a busy people now, busy time now. Once you had a baby, one day they let them go home already. That's it for now.
That is it for the pregnancy and childbirth portion. The next video is going to be about infancy. Okay, we're gonna wrap up this video, guys. I want to thank my grandmother for staring in this video. Thank you for your time, really, and thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys learned something new. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.